Hi, today I got a question from one of my subscribers, and here is a problem. Though this problem doesn't directly relate to genetics, but still, in genetics we have to convert sometimes absolute numbers into the frequencies or into the percentages, and some of the people struggle how to do it, and this video I think would be very helpful in order to show you how to use common sense and logic. And here is the problem. So here we have a table, and we have three category of people. One, those who is pathologist. Here we have those who pediatrics, and here we have those who are psychiatrics. And we have also three rows here. One row numbers for males, another row numbers for females, and this row are total numbers for each column, and total numbers is here. And here is the three questions. Question A: what percent of doctors are male who are psychiatrists? Question B: what percent of the psychiatrists are male? And question C: what percent of male doctors are psychiatrists? And this seems like the same question, just rephrased. And some of you may think, oh, this is the same, like say 2 plus 3 plus 5 equal to 10. And if we change the order of the numbers, for example, 3 plus 5 plus 2, this is going to be the same 10. So we have to answer only one question, and the rest questions would be the same. But this is not true. In word problems, sometimes we have such problems where order of the words are very important. For example, consider such phrase like, on the porch of the house I saw orange ball. Now consider different phrase. On the porch of the house I saw an orange and a ball. So in the first phrase that means one object, orange ball. In the second phrase that means two objects. One is an orange and another one is a ball. So let's consider the first question. What percent of doctors are male who are psychiatrists? And here, as you see, we have row for the males, rows for the females, and this number here, total number of females, total number of all doctors, that is male, and this is total number of all doctors regardless of their sex. So once again, what percent of doctors, and here sex is not specified, are male who are psychiatrists. So we take this number, this is total number of all doctors, and regardless of their sex. And now we consider male who are psychiatrists. And here we have psychiatry column, and this is going to be number of males. So this is going to be number of males who is also at the same time psychiatrists. And this is total number of doctors. So how to find what proportion of the male psychiatrist is, we have to divide 27,803, this is number of the psychiatrist, by total number of the doctors, that is 124,645. And if we divide this number, we are going to get 22.3%. And this is going to be an answer for the first question. And whenever we have to find the portion, so for example, what this portion of this number, we always have to divide smallest number by greatest number. Because if we do vice versa, so if we divide this number by this number, we are going to get an answer that is going to be greater than 1. And the portion will always be smaller than 1, because half an apple is 0.5. It cannot be more than whole apple. So this is an answer for the first question, 22.3%. And here is a question B. What percent of the psychiatrists are male? And once again, how many psychiatrists we have here? And this is total number of the psychiatrists. And this is going to be number of males and females. So this is total number. And the question is, what is the percent of the psychiatrists are male? So once again, we have to divide 27,803 by total number, that is 40095. And the answer here would be 69.3%. And I think this is clear. And answer question C. What percent of male doctors are psychiatrists? So how many male doctors we have here? So we have male doctors here, male doctors here, and male doctors here. And this would be total number of the male doctors. And this portion of all the male doctors would be doctors that is going to be male, and that is going to be psychiatrists. So once again, we have to divide 27,803 by the total number, that is 73 and 398. And the answer here would be 37.9%. And of course, all these numbers are rounded. I just round them to one decimal place. And the last thing before I will finish, I just want to remind you that in genetics, in word problems, the order of the words are very important, and please pay attention to it. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.